Automated cash flow management systems. Cash flow is the lifeblood of any business, yet many organizations struggle to maintain consistent liquidity despite healthy profits. The advent of automated cash flow management systems has revolutionized how businesses track, forecast, and optimize their financial resources. In today's fast-paced economic environment, manual processes are increasingly inadequate. Automated solutions offer real-time visibility, predictive analytics, and seamless integration across departments, empowering accountants and CFOs to make informed decisions swiftly. The evolution of cash flow management tools. Traditional cash flow forecasting relied heavily on historical data and static spreadsheets, often resulting in inaccurate predictions. As markets became more volatile, businesses recognized the need for dynamic tools that could adapt to changing conditions. Modern software platforms leverage machine learning algorithms to analyze vast datasets from various sources, including sales pipelines, procurement schedules, and market trends. This enables proactive rather than reactive decision-making regarding working capital needs. The transition from paper-based records to digital systems marked a turning point in financial operations. Cloud computing further enhanced accessibility by allowing multi-user access without compromising security protocols. Contemporary solutions integrate seamlessly with existing ERP systems such as SAP, Oracle NetSuite, and QuickBooks. These integrations eliminate silos between departments while ensuring data consistency across functions like accounts payable/receivable and inventory control. Core features of modern cash flow platforms. A robust platform must provide comprehensive visualization capabilities through interactive dashboards. Real-time monitoring allows users to identify anomalies instantly before they escalate into critical issues. Predictive modeling features use advanced statistical techniques to simulate different scenarios based on variables like seasonality patterns or potential supply chain disruptions. This helps in preparing contingency plans well ahead of time. Automation extends beyond mere tracking. Intelligent workflows can trigger actions automatically when predefined thresholds are met. For instance, initiating invoice reminders upon approaching payment due dates ensures timely collections. Integration with bank feeds provides up-to-date information about actual inflows/outflows compared against projected figures. This dual perspective aids in identifying discrepancies quickly and taking corrective measures promptly. Data aggregation consolidates data from multiple sources, bank statements, invoices, contracts, into a unified view. Risk assessment modules identify early warning signs related to credit risk exposure among customers/suppliers. Scenario planning capabilities test impact of different strategic choices on overall liquidity position. Compliance tracking ensure adherence to regulatory requirements concerning financial reporting standards. Customizable alerts notify stakeholders via email/SMS whenever key metrics cross predetermined limits. This proactive approach minimizes surprises during audits or unexpected funding shortages. User permission settings allow granular access controls depending on roles within an organization. Financial managers might have full analytical privileges, whereas department heads only see relevant KPIs pertinent to their areas. Leveraging AI for enhanced forecasting accuracy. Artificial intelligence has transformed traditional forecasting models by incorporating behavioral economics principles alongside quantitative analysis. Machine learning algorithms now process unstructured data from social media sentiment analyses to predict consumer behavior shifts. These systems continuously learn from new inputs, refining forecasts over time rather than relying solely on initial assumptions. Dynamic recalibration ensures accuracy even amidst sudden market fluctuations or geopolitical events impacting trade routes. 4. Example: AI-driven platforms can detect subtle changes in customer purchasing habits months before they become statistically significant. Early identification facilitates timely adjustments in production scheduling or marketing budgets. Beyond numerical projections, natural language processing capabilities help interpret textual information embedded in contracts or supplier communications. This contextual understanding improves reliability of generated forecasts significantly. Organizations using AI-enhanced systems report up to 40% improvement in forecast accuracy according to Gartner research conducted in Q3 2023. Such enhancements translate directly into better working capital utilization rates across industries. Implementing an effective cash flow strategy. An effective strategy begins with establishing clear objectives aligned with organizational goals. Whether aiming for growth expansion or operational efficiency, these targets guide selection of appropriate technological solutions. Conducting a thorough assessment of current financial processes reveals pain points requiring automation. Mapping out end-to-end workflows highlights inefficiencies ripe for optimization through digitization initiatives. Kickstarting implementation requires assembling cross-functional teams comprising IT specialists, finance personnel, and senior leadership. Their collaboration ensures alignment between technical capabilities and business needs throughout deployment phases. Choosing the right vendor involves evaluating not just feature sets but also scalability options. A solution capable of growing alongside enterprise demands prevents future disruptions caused by outdated infrastructure limitations. Ongoing training programs ensure staff proficiency levels remain high post-deployment. Regular refresher courses address evolving functionalities introduced through periodic software updates. Best practices for optimal performance. Maintaining accurate master data remains crucial for reliable outputs from any system. Consistent validation routines prevent errors creeping into core datasets used for calculations. Regularly updating configuration parameters reflects current business realities accurately. Parameters governing discount periods, payment terms, or lead times require frequent reviews, especially after contract renegotiations occur. Educating non-finance employees about basic cash flow concepts fosters greater accountability towards maintaining good financial practices company-wide. Establishing KPI benchmarks provides measurable success indicators against which performance improvements can be evaluated objectively. Metrics like days sales outstanding, DSO, or inventory turnover ratio serve as useful gauges here. Fostering interdepartmental communication channels ensures timely sharing of critical information affecting cash positions. Sales teams informing finance about upcoming project milestones enable proactive resource allocation planning. Challenges and mitigation strategies. Resistance to change often hampers adoption rates of new technologies. Addressing concerns through pilot implementations followed by gradual rollouts eases transitions smoothly. Data migration complexities arise frequently during system conversions. Engaging experienced consultants specializing in legacy system transfers reduces risks associated with incomplete data transfers. Varying regional regulations complicate global deployments requiring localized compliance configurations. Working closely with legal advisors ensures all jurisdictions' requirements get adequately addressed upfront. Ensuring cybersecurity protections safeguards sensitive financial information against breaches. Implementing multi-factor authentication layers combined with regular penetration testing fortifies defenses effectively. Cost considerations necessitate careful evaluation of ROI timelines versus investment costs involved. Prioritizing modules offering highest immediate value aligns expenditures strategically with business priorities. Future trends shaping cash flow. Technology. Blockchain technology promises unprecedented transparency in transaction verifications. Smart contracts automating payments upon fulfillment criteria being met reduce administrative overhead considerably. The Internet of Things, IoT, devices generating real-time asset usage data will enhance predictive maintenance scheduling, indirectly influencing cash flow requirements for repair expenses. Augmented reality interfaces may soon replace conventional screens displaying complex financial reports visually. Interactive holograms projecting three-dimensional representations aid quicker comprehension of intricate data relationships. Quantum computing breakthroughs could eventually solve optimization problems currently too computationally intensive for classical computers to handle efficiently within reasonable timeframes. As AI continues advancing rapidly, Expect continued refinement of self-learning models, improving forecast precision incrementally each year. Continuous adaptation becomes essential for staying competitive globally. Measuring success and continuous improvement. Defining success metrics at outset establishes clear expectations for what constitutes progress toward objectives set initially. Aligning these indicators with broader corporate strategies reinforces synergy between financial health and overall business direction. Periodic benchmark comparisons against industry peers highlight areas needing attention relative to competitors' performances. Identifying gaps informs targeted enhancement efforts systematically. Feedback loops involving frontline workers reveal practical challenges faced daily that might not surface during formal reviews. Incorporating these insights leads to more user-centric refinements gradually over time. Adopting agile methodologies encourages iterative development cycles where small incremental changes get tested regularly instead of waiting until completion of entire projects before assessing outcomes. Investing in employee development keeps workforce skills current with emerging tools continually introduced into marketplace. Certified training programs validate expertise levels necessary for optimal tool utilization. Conclusion: effective cash flow management is no longer optional for modern enterprises navigating turbulent markets successfully. Embracing automated solutions offers tangible benefits ranging from improved forecasting accuracy to streamlined operations. By implementing best practices tailored specifically to individual organizational contexts, professionals can transform raw financial data into strategic advantages, propelling long-term sustainability and profitability growth trajectories forward consistently.